Hello and welcome back. This video is not financial advice, and always do your own research. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a revolutionary project in the crypto space. They have a token that I believe is going to have a monstrous 2025. This token is the RLC token, and it is the native token for iExec. Now, iExec has built the trust layer for DePIN and AI, and this is a project that has been around for quite some time, being founded back in 2016. Their RLC token is the native token for their ecosystem, and you can actually earn this token by using some of their different tools. This token is an ERC20 token, I believe currently undervalued considering how much utility it truly offers. It is at an $85 billion market cap, but I believe 2025 is going to be an explosive year. The RLC token is already listed on Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, MEXC, Gate.io, KuCoin, you name it, all the top exchanges. You can go ahead and buy yourself some RLC. The iExec team recently announced that this week they're going to be doing major announcements every single day. There have been some rumors about what kind of announcements we can expect. Some of those rumors, we have heard that they may be talking about new ways to stake and earn RLC tokens. We also may be hearing more information about revenue sharing and incentive programs for token holders. This week should be monumental for iExec and the RLC token, and that's why in today's video, we're going to be doing a deep dive into this project to see what's going on. First things first, we're taking a look at an article posted on CoinMarketCap all about iExec. The title here is What is iExec? The Trust Layer for DePIN and AI. Here we have the introduction. The launch of ChatGPT in 2022 marked a significant moment for AI, propelling AI from a relative niche tech subsector into the global spotlight. One of the leading projects intersecting AI and crypto is iExec, and that's who we are talking about today. iExec is focused on two main products, an iExec protocol and iExec tools. The iExec protocol is a decentralized resource marketplace to facilitate the provision of valuable resources to their respective users at a fair price, while the iExec tools are a suite of different tools to enable the processing and monetization of data while protecting the data's privacy. In short, iExec is a one-stop shop for blockchain-based cloud computing. iExec is offering immense utility to both AI and DePIN. Let's go over a few of the things they are doing within the AI space. They are securing AI pipelines, encrypted AI models, and fully confidential AI agents. They will be securing data in every step of the AI pipeline, from training to inference. Also, data and AI models will stay encrypted, and their usage is verifiable on-chain. Lastly, with iExec for AI, it will enable confidential AI agents, interactions like personal assistants, and even therapists. For DePIN, iExec is offering decentralized GPU infrastructure, privacy-preserving compute, and tools like Data Protector and Web3 Mail, which both of these, using them, you are going to be eligible to earn RLC token rewards. And then for some of the bullet points here, we have verifiable, privacy-preserving computing, decentralized GPU infrastructure with T-enabled privacy, and monetization of data and digital assets without compromising privacy. This protocol was founded back in 2016, and the goal of this protocol was to provide decentralized cloud computing services, competing against the likes of Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure. iExec does have their very own token that is the RLC token, and that is fundamental for asset monetization. This is going to include ecosystem participation control. This is going to protect and monetize their digital assets, such as computing power, applications, AI models, datasets, or even personal data. This all is driving the asset-based token economy. Some of iExec's tools are listed here. We do have Web3 Mail and Web3 Telegram. These are tools built with the purpose of data protection to manage secure communications via email and messaging applications like Telegram. This is allowing users to message other Ethereum account holders without having their specific contact information. iExec leverages Web3 Mail to build a privacy pass. This program will allow registered users to earn RLC tokens by receiving email campaigns without revealing their actual email to them. Also, we have the Oracle Factory. This is iExec's tool for seamless creation and integration of oracles for use on blockchain applications. Today, their ecosystem has expanded to more than 50 different partners, industry leaders such as NVIDIA, Microsoft, accelerators, institutions, and projects building on iExec across AI, DePIN, DeFi, payments, and more. You can see a list here of some of the different partners and other companies that are working within iExec. The main use case of the RLC token is to serve as a medium of exchange within the iExec ecosystem. The token is also used to pay for services on the iExec marketplace, while also serving as a reward token for users of the platform. Recently, iExec did announce a 1 million RLC token ecosystem fund, and this is going to be used as a catalyst for innovation on their privacy-first platform. Additionally, in the near future, the RLC token will see new use cases to strengthen its utility and value within their ecosystem. This will include new reward mechanisms such as token staking, rewards, and benefits for builders and users alike. The team also recently announced a strategic buyback of the RLC token with the proceeds planned for ecosystem development. 40% of the rebought tokens will be used for development and support for the teams that are building on iExec. 30% will be set aside for the team's treasury for partnership initiatives, and the final 30% will be used for liquidity provisions on both decentralized and centralized exchanges. Now let's head into their chart via coin market cap. Here we have the RLC token, which is up 9% over the past 30 days, right now sitting at a market cap just over 86 million. They also have an impressive volume of over 7 million, which is up 44% from yesterday. Community sentiment right now is at 92% bullish, and they are listed on a ton of different centralized exchanges, a lot of tier 1 exchanges. We have Binance for one, Coinbase, Upbit, BitGet, MEXC, Gate.io, KuCoin, Crypto.com, HTX, Kraken, Bitmart, BitHum, and more. So basically any exchange that you use out there, you should be able to secure yourself some of the RLC token, and I believe it is a good time to buy. In my opinion, the AI and utility altcoins are going to have a really nice run this year, and RLC should be one that you add to your bag. Now let's go ahead and head over to iExec's website so you guys can get more familiar with this project. This is the trust layer for DePIN and AI, infrastructure for ownership, privacy, and monetization. With iExec, you can build and monetize applications, access trusted execution environments, also monetize your code because you'll be able to earn crypto every time that your app is used, develop in your own language, whether that's Rust or JavaScript, confidential computing, which protects data during processing, offering stronger end-to-end encryption with your data and applications, privacy and choice for users. These tools allow your apps to handle user data without ever disclosing it, even with you. Users can choose what they share with whom and with what usage. And lastly, enable true ownership and monetization. iExec is using NFTs natively, so you and your users can truly own and control digital assets, sell, rent, subscribe, and set up user-centric monetization schemes. So right now, for those of you that do want to get involved, you can start earning crypto from receiving emails or messages, and you also can join the worker pool network to earn from your computing power. The RLC token itself is at the core of the iExec protocol, and it's essentially your ticket into this ecosystem. The RLC token enables builders to access the protocol, use the developer tools, and pay for transactions occurring on the network. Through proof of stake, RLC verifies the accuracy of calculations made by the workers. With the RLC token, you also can unlock opportunities from AI to DePIN. This protocol helps developers build dApps that open up a whole new world of opportunities in the most promising sectors. And lastly, the RLC supply are all minted and all circulating. It has already reached its maximum cap, so all 87 million RLC tokens have been minted, and the tokens can be tradable across all the major centralized exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. This token is used for standard and secure payments, and again, it does stand for runs on lots of computers. This token is an ERC20 token on Ethereum, and it works with any DeFi wallet. Once you do have yourself some RLC tokens, it is simple to use. You can access all of iExec's resources and you pay with RLC tokens. It's a pay-as-you-go basis. Lastly, it is widely adopted. There are 83 million RLC tokens in circulation, allowing businesses to begin their journey in the iExec ecosystem. So in my opinion, the RLC token is a must buy. Of course, not financial advice, but this token is offering unmatched utility and use case. For those of you that have made it to this portion of the video, I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and follow them over here on X, formerly Twitter. Their handle is IX_EC. And they do have their gold verification badge sitting over 109,000 followers. One of the main reasons why right now is a good time to go ahead and follow them over on X is because they are announcing new mechanisms every single day. The next reveal is tomorrow. That was posted just 2 hours ago, and they are marking a big week for the RLC token. There's going to be lots of different marketing and new announcements regarding this project. So right now is a hot time to get involved with RLC. Aside from all the announcements that are coming this week over on their X, you can also find some different video content about this project. Here we have the CRO, Nathan, that is talking all about iExec and the current state of crypto. Also, we have Francis here, the CTO of iExec, going into detail all about training AI models as well as respecting your data and privacy. They also sat down with BNB Chain during their grants pitch day event. So just tons of different content for you guys to go ahead and check out. If you go ahead and check down in the description box down below, you will be able to find all the different iExec links. And I also have put there a few different articles and X posts that I believe are going to be relevant for you. Here we have this article going over the RLC token buyback, which we talked a bit about earlier on in the video. Another article you guys should go ahead and check out is this one here. It's all about their 1 million RLC token ecosystem fund. Another article you'll be able to find down in the description box. We have introducing iExec on Eliza OS, building the trust layer for AI agents. To be more specific, here they have it listed as the fastest growing open framework for AI agents, composable, battle tested, and backed by a dev community of over 500 plus contributors. In collaboration with iExec, these AI agents will now be privacy preserving, verifiable, and autonomous. And the last post that you will find down in the description box is this one here. iExec writes, "We are proud to announce that iExec is featured as one of the leading T projects in Messari Crypto's latest DECC report." So here we have Messari's post. Decentralized confidential computing represents a foundational shift in how sensitive data is handled in decentralized systems. Over $1 billion has been invested in these type of projects, and here's everything you need to know. So here they posted an ecosystem map where you can see the different leaders in this space, and as you can see, iExec is firmly planted here in the trusted execution environment. Again, if you would like to learn more about iExec and the RLC token, go ahead and check the description box down below. All of the links can be found there. Be sure to join in on their Telegram community and follow them on X. This week, they are going to be posting a ton of different big announcements, so stay on the lookout for that. In my opinion, the RLC token has solidified itself as one of the leaders in the AI crypto space. I think this token is going to skyrocket well past $100 million in market cap. Right now, again, being undervalued, sitting around 85 million. This is an easy buy, again, just in my personal opinion. I definitely am going to be buying myself a bag of RLC. Although I am a huge fan of this project and their token, this video is not intended to be financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and investing in any cryptocurrency can be risky, so always do your own research. Go ahead and leave a comment down below with your thoughts about this project and what other projects you may think are going to have an explosive 2025. Now, with that being said, that about wraps it up for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time.